Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point, the Toyota 1.2 Turbo 8NR FTS engine is a compact, technologically advanced gasoline engine designed to deliver a balance of power and exceptional fuel efficiency. Introduced in 2015, it represents Toyota's commitment to downsizing and turbocharging for the European and Asian markets, where emissions regulations and fuel economy are paramount. Engine overview and history. The 8NR FTS is a 1.2-liter, 1,197 cubic centimeters, inline, 4-turbocharged gasoline engine. It's a member of Toyota's S-TEC economy with superior thermal efficient combustion engine family, which focuses on maximizing thermal efficiency. Key technologies include dual VVTIW, variable valve timing intelligent wide. This sophisticated system allows the engine to switch between the conventional Otto cycle and the more fuel-efficient Atkinson cycle, depending on driving conditions. This helps optimize valve timing for better fuel economy at light loads and increase power when needed. D4T, direct injection 4-stroke gasoline engine. With turbo, this engine uses a direct injection system. Unlike the larger 8AR FTS, which uses D4ST, port and direct injection, the 8NR FTS relies solely on direct injection for fuel delivery. This allows for precise fuel atomization and placement, contributing to efficiency. Single-scroll turbocharger. This helps boost power and torque output from a small displacement. Integrated exhaust manifold in the cylinder head. Similar to the 8AR FTS, this design improves exhaust gas cooling and quicker catalyst warm-up. High thermal efficiency. Toyota claims a thermal efficiency of 36%, a leading figure for mass-produced gasoline engines at its introduction. Stop and start system for further fuel economy improvements. Timing chain for reliable valve timing. The 8NR FTS debuted in the facelift Toyota Auris Corolla hatchback in some markets in 2015, specifically targeting European and Japanese markets. It then expanded to other compact models like the C-Char. Applications. The 8NR FTS engine has been primarily used in Toyota Auris E180 generation, 2015 to 2018. Toyota C-Char EX10 generation, 2016 present. Toyota Corolla E210 generation, in some markets, 2019 present. Opinions and review. Owners generally praise the 8NR FTS for its surprising performance for its small size and excellent fuel economy. It provides adequate power for urban driving and comfortable highway cruising, with a good amount of low-end torque thanks to the turbocharger. The engine is often described as smooth and refined. Many users on forums report good reliability, with some reaching high mileage without significant issues. Advantages. Excellent fuel economy, a primary design goal, and it delivers. The Atkinson cycle capability and direct injection contribute significantly to its efficiency. Good low-end torque. The turbocharger helps overcome the small displacement, providing a strong pull from low RPMs, making it feel more potent than its size suggests. Refinement. It's a smooth and relatively quiet engine, contributing to a pleasant driving experience in compact cars. Timing chain. Uses a timing chain, which is typically maintenance-free for the life of the engine, reducing long-term costs. Compact size. Allows for efficient packaging in smaller vehicles. Toyota reliability. Generally, despite being a new type of engine for Toyota, it largely upholds their reputation for dependability. Disadvantages. Direct injection only, potential for carbon buildup unlike the 8AR FTS. The 8NR FTS uses only direct injection, D4T, not D4ST. While modern direct injection systems are improved, long-term carbon buildup on intake valves can still be a concern if not properly maintained, or with certain driving styles, e.g., lots of short trips. Power for enthusiasts. While good for daily driving, it won't excite performance enthusiasts. It's designed for efficiency and adequate power, not high-performance thrills. Turbo lag, minor while well managed. Like any turbocharged engine, there could be a slight delay in power delivery compared to a naturally aspirated engine of comparable power, especially when transitioning from off-throttle to acceleration. Complexity. As a turbocharged, direct-injected engine with VVTIW, it's more complex than simpler naturally aspirated engines. This could lead to more expensive repairs if specialized components fail. Premium fuel recommended, often due to its design, high compression and turbocharging. Premium unleaded gasoline, 95 RON or higher, is often recommended or required for optimal performance and efficiency, increasing running costs. Common faults and breakdowns. While the 8NR FTS is generally considered reliable, here are a few points to consider. High-pressure fuel pump. Recall some early models, e.g., 2019 Corolla 1.2T, had a recall for the high-pressure fuel pump. This was a specific manufacturing issue and typically covered by warranty. Oil consumption. Less common while not as widespread as with some older Toyota engines, like the 2AZFE. Some isolated reports of oil consumption can occur, particularly if oil change intervals are stretched or lower quality oil is used. This is less a fault and more a reminder for diligent maintenance. Whistling noise. Some users have reported a whistling noise after prolonged motorway driving or at higher speeds, e.g., 50 mph+. The exact cause isn't always clear, but something to be aware of. Turbocharger longevity. As with any turbocharged engine, the turbocharger itself is a component that can eventually wear out, especially if oil changes are neglected or the engine is frequently run hard without proper cooldown. However, Toyota's turbos have a good reputation for durability. Misfires/rough idling. As with any direct injection engine, issues like misfires or rough idling can sometimes be traced back to fuel system components, injectors, fuel pump, or carbon buildup if it occurs. Fuel consumption. The 8NR FTS is known for its excellent fuel efficiency, especially in the compact cars it powers. Toyota Auris/Corolla 1.2T. Official combined figures can be as low as 4.7 to 5.5 L/100 km, around 43 to 50 mpg US/51 to 60 mpg UK, depending on the specific model, transmission, manual versus CVT, and trim. Toyota C-Char 1.2T. Slightly higher due to its SUV body, typically around 6.0 to 6.5 L/100 km, around 36 to 39 mpg US/43 to 47 mpg UK, combined. Real-world consumption will vary. Aggressive driving, frequent short trips, and heavy loads will increase fuel usage. Timing. The Toyota 8NR FTS engine uses a timing chain. This is a significant advantage, as timing chains are designed to last the life of the engine and typically do not require scheduled replacement, unlike timing belts. This contributes to lower long-term maintenance costs. The VVTIW system also plays a role in valve timing, utilizing actuators to adjust camshaft positions. Oil. Recommended engine oil. Toyota generally recommends 0W, 20 full synthetic engine oil for the 8NR FTS to ensure optimal performance, fuel economy, and protection for the turbocharger. Some sources also list 5W30 as an alternative, particularly for certain climates or higher mileage engines. But always check your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and specific recommendation for your model year. Engine oil capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 4.0 to 4.2 liters, 4.2 to 4.4 U.S. quarts, with a filter change. As always, refer to your owner's manual and use the dipstick to confirm the correct level. Given it's a turbocharged engine, regular oil level checks, e.g., every few thousand kilometers, are highly advisable. Versions. The 8NR FTS is a specific 1.2 turbocharged variant within Toyota's engine lineup. While there aren't significantly different versions of the 8NR FTS itself, it is part of Toyota's broader strategy of developing efficient engines, including other turbocharged and naturally aspirated options. 8AR FTS. The larger 2.0L turbocharged engine used in Lexus and some Toyota models. Other AR family engines, such as the 1AR FE 2.7 LNA and 2AR FE 2.5 LNA/hybrid. The 8NR FTS represents a crucial step for Toyota in offering competitive small-displacement turbocharged engines that balance performance with stringent modern efficiency and emissions requirements, particularly in markets where these factors are highly valued. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.